If your Xfinity modem is flashing an orange light, don't panic. This usually means the modem is trying to connect or update. First, wait about 10 to 15 minutes. If the light turns solid white, the connection is restored. If it keeps flashing, then don't worry. In this video, I will show you step-by-step troubleshooting steps to fix flashing orange light. Let's get started. Flashing orange light can be frustrating. First, let's understand when modem flashing orange. The orange flashing light on your Xfinity modem typically indicates no internet connection, firmware update, and progress modem activation issue, signal or hardware problem. Let's follow simple steps to fix it and get you back online. Step 1. Power cycle your router. Unplug your router from the power outlet and wait for at least 30 seconds. This gives us a chance to reset and clear any temporary issues. After waiting, plug your router back in and wait for the lights to stabilize. If the orange light turns solid white or blue, you're back online. If it's still flashing, keep watching for more steps. Step 2. Check for service outages. Check for service outages in your area. Sometimes a blinking blue light is caused by a problem with your internet service provider. To check, visit the Xfinity website or use the Xfinity app to see if there are any ongoing outages. If there's an outage, you'll just need to wait for it to be resolved. Once the service is restored, your orange light should stop flashing. Step 3. Check cable connections. Inspect your cable connections. Make sure all cables, including the power cord, Ethernet, and coaxial cables, are securely plugged in. Loose or damaged cables can cause connectivity issues. Check the coaxial cable connecting your router to the wall outlet. A loose or improperly connected cable can prevent the router from syncing with the internet properly. Step 4. Check for firmware updates. Connect to modem via Ethernet. Go to http://10.0.0.1 Xfinity admin page. Log in with admin username and password and check for firmware updates under Settings. Step 5. Reset the modem to factory settings. Reset your modem to factory settings. If the above steps haven't worked, try resetting your router. To do this, locate the reset button on the back of your modem. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds using a paperclip or pin. This will restore the router to its default settings, which may resolve any persistent issues. Once reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router settings, such as internet settings, your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 6. Contact Xfinity support. Contact Xfinity Comcast support if none of the previous steps worked. There might be a more serious issue with your router or internet connection. Reach out to Xfinity's customer support team for further assistance. You can call their support line or chat with a representative on their website. They can walk you through additional troubleshooting steps or help you arrange a technician visit if necessary. We hope this guide helped you fix the flashing orange light on your Xfinity router. Remember, if in doubt, Xfinity support team is always ready to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.